pretty little horse. We have had some rain, folks. I'm talking about some rain. Tyler, don't you want to put 4? Load him up, guys. He wants 4 on him. 2 on each shoulder. Thank you, sir. Appreciate y'all. We gotta get some 5-gallon buckets.
Maybe we should just get some baby chickens.
Where are the buckets? Just get. How about grab these right here? Grab 2 of these right here. Them will be the right ones.
Diamond! I found the diamond! Come on!
We got 4 today. That's a pretty green one this time.
Oh yeah.
We're coming in to get supper started this afternoon, y'all. We finally have a really pretty day where it's hopefully not gonna rain.
Yeah, we hope.
We hope. It's time to come in and get supper started and my afternoon to-do list completed because I've not really started it much yet. I have already swept the porches and stuff outside. They were filthy because wet pollen was everywhere. I'm getting some bacon in the oven. While the bacon's cooking, we'll take care of some of the to-do list. We're gonna have just some barbecue chicken tonight and salads. And I'm making some bacon and cheese pull-apart bread to go with it. Oh, good, thank you. Okay, you can sit them back in there for now. I was just gonna go ahead and bring them in here so when I'm ready for them, they would be in here. Okay, thank you.
Right there.
We've got the Wright brand Applewood smoked bacon. We've been having a Little House on the Prairie marathon lately because Sissy, she can't really remember many of the episodes. Like, she remembers a little bit, like bits and pieces of some of the episodes, but not really much at all. So she has now discovered her love for Little House on the Prairie. And so whenever we aren't doing anything else, we're watching an episode. She wants to watch them in order from season 1 all the way until the end, except she doesn't like the sad ones. She skips the sad. Okay, so we got the bacon in the oven. I need to get the chicken out of the freezer.
A morning shirt, this color with trees behind a bear with a body.
Trees behind a bear. He's telling me a shirt that he wants. So it's a black shirt?
No, this color shirt.
Okay, yellow shirt. He's already changed shirts 3 times today. So a yellow shirt with trees on it, with a bear standing, the whole bear body standing
in the front.
In the front of the trees. Okay, we'll look for that. Let me go get the chicken. Since the chicken's frozen, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. It'll have plenty of time to cook in there since we're cooking the bacon first and then the pull-apart bread. Or I would just put it in the Instant Pot, but since we have time, we'll just go ahead and put it in the oven with the bacon. And if Titus or any of the boys want fish, we'll put some fish in later. So I'm just gonna put it in now like it is and I'll add some seasoning to it later. Now the list: dust, vacuum, laundry, windows. I did the inside of the windows, I can't remember if it was yesterday or the day before, so I just have to do the outside. to do the windows, but we're gonna go ahead and get the cheesy bacon pull-apart bread in the oven first. So we're just gonna chop up the bacon into smaller pieces. And I didn't cook this bacon as long as I normally would, so it's not too crispy because it's, you know, gonna be baking in the oven for a little bit longer too, so I didn't want it to get too done. Okay, there's the bacon. Now we'll grab the biscuits. We're going to cut these into smaller pieces too. We'll just cut them into 4s. Set them over here. We'll spray this casserole dish. Now we'll just put these into the casserole dish. Now we'll pour this egg white over the top. You can do a whole egg. I think there was a little shell right there. You can do a whole egg, but most of the time I have extra egg whites in the refrigerator, so I'm just using an egg white. We'll stir it around a little bit. Coat the biscuit pieces with it. Now we'll add the bacon and cheese. I've got some sharp cheddar and mozzarella that we're gonna put in here. There we go. Cece wants to mix that together, and then it's going in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. I've got it. I'm just gonna go 375 for about 20 minutes. I think that'll be good. All right, going in the oven.